dousing prawns with gin. As our wandering gastronome lost the plot, too much July sun perhaps. Not to worry, all is well, let me explain. Dear Jess, I'm in Menorca again, close to you as you know, and here they drink gin, in particular the authentic Menorcan one, Xoriguer. Gin was originally brought by the British when they took over a couple of 100 years ago, so that's what stuff gets doused in round here. Gambas and Gin Xoriguer. Prawns with Xoriguer gin. I've come to Cala Morey, this small bay at the northwest corner of Menorca, to execute this simplest of local preparations. All you need are some prawns, large ones prescribed. Gin, extra points if it's the Menorcan Xoriguer. Parsley and garlic, olive oil, salt and a touch of lemon juice. Parsley and garlic are chopped in advance to form the picada. Thirsty work, you know, all this mise en place. Time for a traditional Menorcan cocktail, una pomada, gin with natural lemon juice. Oh, by the way, I've been rebuked of late for throwing food into the sea. Point taken, so please leave a like if you approve, or comment if you think it's good to feed the fish. Lemon juice, water, and sugar for the natural lemonade. Over ice, 1 part gin, 3 parts lemon. Back to the prawns. Oil to cover the bottom of a pan. Prawns in. Salt, 2 minutes. Flip. Flambéd with gin. Lemon juice. Cook down a minute. Sprinkle with the picada of garlic and parsley. Now, I'm definitely a sucker for a good prawn, and this is exactly what's done with the separated head. Superb, and with only the faintest suggestion of gin. Give me a like, and this patient seagull gets the leftovers. Now, if you've enjoyed this little glimpse of local Menorcan cuisine, check out another classic from the island right here. Bon profit!